Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show how to buy steamer on TEMU for extremely cheap. TEMU is an online shopping marketplace that delivers product to consumer directly from China and provides a 90 days return policy. So let's get started. So first of all, we will just come to temu.com, and at the search button we will just search for the product as our steamer. Okay, so here we can see steamer. Okay, so here we have many types of steamer, so I will be going to with this steamer. Okay, it will cost you $4.39. Okay, so here we have steamer. So basically in this steamer you can just cook dumplings, like boil the vegetables, and other tasks you can do. You can just wash also your vegetables. So here we can see it is made up of a stainless steel. It's a very strong item for our household works. So here we can see it have a great review also. If we can see here, so the product description is your height is your 2.4 inches, or here we have 6 centimeter, and your length as 18 centimeter, and we have other descriptions also. Okay, and Temu gives us a shopping security, and it gives a free standard delivery to all their products. So to buy, you have to just click on add to cart button, and then you have to click on the buy button and follow the instruction to make the purchase. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the Temu app to save your money. Thank you for watching.